Have you ever thought about growing your own herbal tea garden? Envision the charm of homegrown herbs, a hobby that not only promotes a healthier lifestyle, but also saves you money. Imagine sipping a warm cup of tea made from herbs you've grown yourself. Sounds lovely, right? The first step to creating your herbal tea garden is selecting your herbs. There's a world of flavors out there, from the refreshing zest of mint, the soothing calm of chamomile, to the vibrant burst of lemon balm. But don't let us limit your choices. The herbs you choose should be a reflection of your taste buds and the climate of your garden. If an herb thrives in your area and you enjoy its taste, it's a perfect candidate for your garden. Remember, the best herb to grow is the one you love to drink. Now that you've chosen your herbs, it's time to get your hands dirty. The planting process is straightforward. Start by selecting a sunny spot, as most herbs thrive in well-lit areas. Next, use good quality soil. It's the foundation for healthy growth. And remember, each plant needs space to spread its roots and breathe. Don't crowd them, give them room to grow. With proper care, you'll see your plants sprouting in no time. Once your herbs are grown, it's time for the best part, making your tea. For harvesting, gently snip the leaves, ensuring not to harm the plant. Once collected, lay the leaves out to dry in a cool, shaded area. After they've thoroughly dried, crumble them into a jar for storage. When you're ready for a cup, steep a teaspoon of your dried herbs in boiling water for about 5 minutes. And voila, there you have it, your very own cup of homegrown herbal tea. Growing your own herbal tea garden is not just rewarding, but also a fun and healthy hobby. Choose, plant, harvest, and sip on your herbal tea. Give it a go and experience this delightful journey. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!